Hi, everybody. It's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so excited that you're practicing your English with me. I love making videos to help all of the English learners out there. So, thank you for being here. Before we start today's phrasal verb lesson, I want to tell you something. I don't know if you watched episode 10, but in the description of episode 10 of Phrasal Verbs, last week's video, I added a PDF, a study guide that I made for you. And what the study guide includes is weeks 1 through 10. 10 weeks, it's 2 pages, and it's a summary of all of the phrasal verbs we have practiced in these weekly videos so far. And from now on, every 10 weeks, I will make a new study guide for you. Now, I still think you should take notes, and I still think you should watch each video because the study guide is just a little summary. But if you watch the videos, you get examples and bonus expressions and phrases that are important to learn. But if you missed that, I want you to go back to episode 10 and click on the link in the description for your free PDF. Okay? Awesome. So today I have one phrasal verb for you, but I want to talk about two different meanings that are really slightly different, but important to know. Okay? Reach out. Reach out. You might know the verb reach. There's more than one meaning, but one meaning is to extend your arm, to grab something, reach, right? Well, reach out is not about moving your arm. It's about talking, communicating, starting a conversation with someone. That's the first meaning, the first definition I want to review. If you want to reach out to, that's the preposition, to someone, this means you are starting a conversation with them. Maybe someone has reached out to you, right? Maybe you need to reach out to someone. Start a conversation. Now, I want you to know this can be to start a conversation. This can be in any form of communication. You can start a conversation with talking. You can start a conversation with a phone call, with a text, with an email. You might write a letter and mail it. When you reach out to someone, you are starting, you are initiating a conversation. So if your boss asks you to reach out to 3 new clients this week, that they are asking you to start a conversation, to contact, to get in touch. It's another phrasal verb, to get in touch with 3 new clients. Yeah. So if you have questions about my videos, I hope you reach out to me. You can put a comment in the YouTube video. You can put a comment on social media, Instagram or Facebook. But you can reach out to me if you have questions about English, okay? That's the first meaning. The second meaning is still communicating, but it's slightly different. The second meaning of reach out to someone, same preposition, if I'm going to reach out to someone, it means I'm going to see if they need any help. Maybe they're having a problem. Maybe they are depressed. Maybe they're sick. Maybe they're having a family emergency. And if I want to reach out to them, that means I'm seeing if they need my help. Okay? So to offer your help and support. To offer your help, maybe you can't help. Maybe something terrible happened. Maybe they had a death in the family. But maybe if you reach out to them and offer your help or support, or just call them and be a good friend and listen. Support. I can't write and talk. Support. Oh my gosh. But you understand, if you have someone that's in need of help, they're having a problem, they're going through a difficult time, it's a good idea to reach out to them. If you're friends with them, if you know them, it's a caring thing. But the more common use for my business English students is going to be the first one, where you simply need to initiate communication with someone. Okay? So, have you reached out to anyone recently? Has anyone reached out to you? What about when you had a difficult time in your life? Did you have a friend or family member, maybe even a stranger, reach out to you to help? Yeah, let me know in the comments. I'm so glad you're here studying. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have certain phrasal verbs you'd like me to review, of course, put them in the comments. And what would be very helpful, I'm reaching out to you right now and I'm asking for help. If you could share the video, my videos, if you could like and subscribe and share with your friends. There are a lot of people out there that need English classes. I'm a native speaker from America. I work with business English students, but I don't have a lot of room in my schedule for new students. So I'm making these weekly free videos to help others. And so if you can spread the word and share with your friends and colleagues, more English learners will get a chance to listen to a native speaker and learn about phrasal verbs every week. But I need your help, okay? So share, like, subscribe, thumbs up, all of those helpful things to help the channel reach more people, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. See you next week. Bye.